Welcome to my presentation on biomass pyrolysis. We are all aware of one main existing issue in our society. Oil is a fundamental aspect in the functionality of our cities. However, its production and use prove to be quite detrimental to the environment. According to Barbosa et al., from greenhouse gas emissions to water contamination to the destruction of the ecosystem, our planet is essentially in peril. An alternative to oil and fossil fuels is thus needed. So there comes in the process of biomass pyrolysis. So what exactly is biomass pyrolysis? Well, let's first delve into the terms involved in this process, biomass and pyrolysis. So biomass is any organic substance that can be used as a renewable fuel and power source, per Chico Perano et al. According to Ganeshan Banerjee, biomass can produce energy equivalent or greater than that of 10,000 megawatts of installed capacity of thermal power plants, thus proving it is very potent. It has also established itself as a source of energy that will promote an oil-free economy per sources 1 and 2. Pyrolysis, on the other hand, is a process that involves the heating of an organic substance without the presence of oxygen, per source 3, and this allows for the production of unique products. So, biomass pyrolysis as a system as a whole is a complex thermochemical reaction that involves the decomposition of various organic substances into simpler products that can be char, which is solid, a tar, which is a liquid, and gas, for sources 1 and 3. As visualized in the diagram, this gas component that is produced by this chemical reaction is then cooled to perform a bio-oil. So what global issue exactly does this connect to? Well, in my opinion, I felt that this topic connected most to the idea of sustainable cities. Because in our current day and age, the majority of large cities' industries benefit heavily from the use of oil products. For example, if you look at our roads, they are made from cement, which is an oil product known as bitumen. Moreover, oil is also very useful in our cities as a form of petroleum, which powers cars and our vehicles that we use on a day-to-day basis to get around to our jobs and other activities. Lastly, it can also be used as a form of feedstock for crops that humans consume, per source 4. As biomass produces numerous products that can be supplemented for oil, it will become a useful alternative as it will be kinder to the environment, will put less pressure on the oil industry, making oil itself a more economical option, and will allow cities to become more sustainable as a whole through the decrease of their carbon-based emissions via sources 2 and 5. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Here are the websites and journals that I used. Here are the images that I have used. Thank you.